How to pin a video on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then go ahead and navigate the video that you want to pin. Once navigated, tap on it in order to open the video that you want to pin and then tap on the three dots you see there on the bottom right. Here you will see the option for pin. Tap on that, and now if you go back to your profile, as you can see, the video has been pinned. So this was about how you can pin a video on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.